Hi Jonathan, it's Auntie Linda again. This time I have another book. I don't think you have this book. I love this book. It's called Daddy Fixed the Vacuum Cleaner. And I've got the storytelling feathers on. Big bird's feathers. Do you have a vacuum cleaner at home? Does your mom or dad use a vacuum cleaner sometimes? This is about a vacuum cleaner that was broken, and the dad fixed it. Let's see what happens. I guess we should start at the beginning. Daddy fixed the vacuum cleaner, and now it works just fine. See, it's sucking up all the dirt. It sucks up flowers from the yard and laundry from the line. Uh-oh. I don't think vacuum cleaners are supposed to do that. Before, it hardly drew at all, but now it's got great reach. It picks up things from down the hall and fuzz right off the peach. Look at that! What's it sucking in there? It's taking in all kinds of things that it's not supposed to take in. Their house is going to be a mess when they get done. The cat has joined the dusty bag. It sucked up the cat. The small hands from our clocks. Look, there go the hands. The baby's diaper flew in there. The stitching from our socks. There's his socks. His socks are getting torn apart. An egg, a cabbage from the fridge, an apple pie quite big. It drew in Grandma's dentures. Her teeth, it got her teeth. And also Grandpa's wig. Uh-oh, there goes his hair. It sucked the patterns from our rugs, the newsprint from our news. This is one crazy vacuum cleaner. It swallowed every light bulb up, plus laces from our shoes. It made my sister's dolly bald, her teddy disappear. Do you see her teddy bear going into the vacuum cleaner? Right there. My auntie's false eyelashes fly, her rouge and lipstick smear. It drew out every penny saved inside my piggy bank. Do you have a piggy bank where you save your coins? And sucked the sand and pirate ship right from my fish's tank. Uh-oh. We can't let that happen. It pulled the flowers from Mom's dress while hardly even trying. Look at that. The flowers on her dress are getting taken in. It opened all our dresser drawers and sent our clothes a-flying. This is a bad vacuum cleaner. I hope your dad doesn't do this. If your dad does this, you tell him not to mess with the vacuum cleaner. It yanked the pipes right through the walls. The dog next door flew in. And then the neighbor's hamsters, there they are, and the neighbor's violin. There's the violin. Poor doggy. Daddy fixed the vacuum cleaner. The thing would hardly suck. But maybe Dad should not have used the engine from his truck. That's why the vacuum cleaner sucked everything in. It was too strong because he was using the truck engine. The truck engine made it go. So that made it too strong and it sucked everything in. And that's why you shouldn't let your dad mess with the vacuum cleaner. The end. I love you, Jonathan, and give your mom and dad a hug.